Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up a big salad and some homemade ranch dressing, and I wanted to share with you guys. So here we go. This is so simple, so good, and hopefully most of the things you already have on hand. Here in my bowl I have some sour cream and my mayonnaise. Use your choice of mayonnaise. I know a lot of people are picky about that. Okay. Then I'm going to add in my spices. Here's my salt, pepper, my garlic powder, my onion powder, my dried herbs, which is dillweed, some chives, and some parsley, all dried, and my vinegar. And we'll just get this mixed up in here. This is so good, you guys, on a salad. We're having big salads, and I thought, why not make this up? Everybody's always looking for a good salad, right? This one's a little different, but I know we all like our salads different. So I got me some buttermilk here, some low-fat buttermilk, and I'm going in with, shake it up good, a half a cup. Let's go ahead and get that in there. Comes together so easy. The only thing about it is you have to let this sit. I like to go at least, and if you can, even better, do it the night before. That way it has time to set up for you. And that's it. Just that quick. You got homemade ranch dressing. And you know what's in it more than anything, right? None of those additives or preservatives, all that stuff that can go in those dressings like that. And this is wonderful. It really is. Okay. And I already have a jar I made last night because we're having salads. And I'll just pour the remainder of that as it sets. I'll put it in here because this will be used up. So we're ready for our salads. Okay, now in my bowl, I'm going to make up my salad. I like to use the baby spring mix. And I like a mix of some of the garden salad mix. So we're just going to assemble this big salad. My muscles let me open these bags. Curtis, I need your assistance there, son. This one opened with no problem. Go figure. But we're just in I call it a big salad because it is a big salad. It's a big, big salad. But we're just going to mix these up. We'll just put some of this. I don't like those big old clunks of lettuce like that. We'll put some of our garden there. And then our spring mix. And just mix it up. Just like that. Now, I know one of my boys, he'll eat all of this, every bit of it. We don't make no small salads around here. Never have. Okay, now to that, I'm going to add, let me show you the other things I have here. I have some tomatoes. Ain't those pretty? Look how bright those are. And I have some, I love these in my salad, some sesame sticks. These here. I also love blue cheese crumbles, but I forgot them. Some dried cranberries. And I have some sugar snap peas. A few of those go in there. And you could do ham, you could do chicken, pepperoni. But what I like to do, get my jar off everything here. My lid. I'll add a few tomatoes in here. And I like to save a few for the top. And the rest of it I like to go on the top where you can see it. It's pretty. We'll do a few of the pepperonis. Chicken, ham, turkey, whatever you like. And now I'll go in with my dressing. And I'll just see how nice that is. I just drizzle that right over top. Use much as you want. This is big, so I know my Ryan is waiting for this. He can add more if he likes it. Or if he likes. Now on top of that, I'm going to add in my sesame sticks. You could put some croutons on here too, but I like the crunch of these sesame sticks. Love them. Okay, then I'll go in with a few of my sugar snap peas. And my cranberries. These are dried cranberries. Get you that little sweet, tangy thing going there with this. Really good, these cranberries, with the cranberries on it. Then I'll go in with a few more tomatoes. Just like so. Another red. And just a few more pepperonis. And then I'll just go in with a little bit more dressing. And there you have it. There's my big salad, or my son's big salad, and it is delicious, guys. I sure hope you guys will give this a try. It's really good, and, you know, we're always, like I said, looking for a different salad. So there it is, and I'm not going to eat it. Well, I'm going to crunch on a sesame seed here because my son's waiting on this. But there it is, guys. I hope you enjoy. And you give this a try. Now I'm going to pour the rest of my dressing in here that we just made, and that'll set for a few hours. But if you could let it set overnight, please do that. All those flavors come out of the dry herbs and stuff, and it's a definite have to set dressing, because you can't just make it and expect it to be ready because it hasn't set long enough. All those dry herbs need to, you know, marry with that sour cream and mayonnaise and all set up for you. At least 3 to 4 hours tops. Overnight, even better. But anyway, I'll get out of here. Hopefully you guys give it a try, and we will see you next week. Make you up a salad. And hit that subscribe button, guys. See y'all later. Bye-bye.